Yo, Pi Network pioneers, wallets acting up? Hey Pi fam, word on the street is that some of you all are having trouble accessing your Pi wallets. Frustrating, right? You've been mining diligently, stacking those Pi coins, and now you can't even check your balance. Don't trip, it happens. Let's break down what might be going on. We've all been there. You're hyped to see how much Pi you've mined, but the app is moving slower than a snail in a staring contest. Or maybe you can't even get past the login screen. It's enough to make you want to chuck your phone out the window. But hold your horses. Before you launch your device into orbit, let's explore some possible explanations. So what's the deal with these wallet woes? Why are so many users finding themselves stuck or frustrated when trying to access their Pi Network wallets? Well, a few things could be going down. Let's break it down and see what might be causing these hiccups. First up, server maintenance. Think of it like the Pi Network HQ is getting a little renovation. They're upgrading things, moving stuff around. The usual. Just like any other tech infrastructure, regular maintenance is crucial to keep things running smoothly. During this time, things might run a little slow, or access might be temporarily restricted. It's like waiting for a web page to load when your internet is acting up. Frustrating, but usually temporary. Another possibility, high traffic. Imagine 1 million people all trying to squeeze through a single door at the same time. It's going to be a tight squeeze, right? This can happen during peak times when everyone is trying to access their wallets simultaneously. The same thing can happen with the Pi Network app. If a ton of users are trying to access their wallets simultaneously, it can put a strain on the system and lead to slowdowns or errors. It's like a digital traffic jam. Finally, let's not rule out the dreaded B-word bugs. These pesky little issues can pop up unexpectedly and cause all sorts of problems. Look, no app is perfect. Sometimes there are glitches in the matrix and things go haywire. It's just part of the digital world we live in. The good news is that the Pi Network team is usually on top of these things, working tirelessly to squash those bugs and get everything running smoothly again. They're dedicated to ensuring a seamless experience for all users. Okay, so the wallet's acting up. What do? It's easy to feel overwhelmed when technology doesn't work as expected. First things first, don't panic. Take a moment to calm yourself. Resist the urge to tear your hair out, delete the app, or sacrifice your phone to the tech gods. These actions won't help. Take a deep breath and remember, it's probably not the end of the world. Most issues are temporary and can be resolved. The worst thing you can do right now is to start messing with things unnecessarily. This can make the problem worse. Don't go reinstalling the app or creating a new account. These steps can lead to more complications. That's just going to complicate things further. Patience is key in these situations. Instead, sit tight and wait for updates from the official Pi Network channels. They will provide the most accurate information. Speaking of official channels, that's where you should be getting your information. Always verify the source. Don't believe everything you read on shady forums or social media groups. Misinformation can spread quickly. Stick to the official Pi Network website, app, and social media accounts for reliable updates and announcements. Trust the official sources. Section 4. Binance to the rescue? Let's make Pi fly. This could be the moment we've all been waiting for. Now let's shift gears to some potentially exciting news. Hold on to your seats because this could be a game changer. Binance, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges on the planet, is considering listing Pi. Yes, you heard that right. That's right, you heard me correctly. This could be a monumental step forward for Pi Network. They've put it to a vote on Binance Square, and it's up to the community to make it happen. Your voice matters more than ever. This is huge news for Pi Network and its millions of users. Imagine the possibilities. Why? Because getting listed on a major exchange like Binance would be a major game changer. It could open up so many doors. It would bring a whole new level of visibility and credibility to Pi. More people would know about it and trust it. Plus, it would make it much easier for people to buy, sell, and trade Pi, which could potentially boost its value. Imagine the growth. But here's the catch. We need your help. This is a community effort. The fate of Pi on Binance rests in the hands of the community. Your vote can make a difference. We need everyone to head over to Binance Square and cast their vote in favor of listing Pi. Every vote counts. Let's make history together. Section 5. Stay informed, stay engaged, stay hopeful. So there you have it, Pi fam. The wallet situation might be a bit frustrating, but remember, this is all part of the journey. The Pi network is still in its early stages, and these kinds of growing pains are to be expected. The important thing is to stay informed, stay engaged, and stay hopeful. Keep an eye out for updates from the official Pi network channels, participate in the Binance Square vote, and spread the word. And most importantly, keep believing in the power of this amazing community. What are your thoughts on the recent wallet issues and the Binance listing vote? Share your experiences in comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on all things Pi.